Before we are going forward, we will have to download the application for the watch. I am using an Android device, so upon scanning on this barcode, it will lead you to the app center, which you can download. But unfortunately, everything is in Chinese in it. So upon some hunting, I could find the application for that, which is this one. And fortunately, this application does speak English indeed. So there is no device here. So let's add a device. So I click here, and the Watch 9 is here straight away. So let's find the Watch 9. Yeah. Please shake your watch or press any button to the watch to confirm. Okay, I'll press the button. So now it says the device is connected. Right. Okay, so now what we have here. We have a remote shutter, we have a smart alarm, we have a smart reminder, heart rate test. That's pretty strange. There is no heart rate monitor on this. Watch mode, pointer calibration, and disconnect reminder. All right, okay, so let's go for the smart alarm. Okay, this is the alarm. Got it. All right, you can have 3 alarms maximum. Right, the smart reminder. Yes, we have to allow this one as well. So call reminder, message reminder, sedentary reminder. So apparently the watch will between 9 AM and 6 PM it will ping me if I'm sedentary for more than 60 minutes. Okay, that's fine. Let's go for it. Application message reminder. We have to give access to the Lenovo watch, which I just did. And what else? Right, okay. So here are the applications I can get a notification from. That's pretty much designed for China. Right, okay, so Facebook, Twitter, pretty much WhatsApp. That's what I'm using. If I click on it, oh, then all goes on. So Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, I'm not using anymore. Right, heart rate test. Right, okay. So it will try to use my camera for a heart rate test. Let's forget this one. Watch mode. Okay, there is a do not disturb function, and that's it, nothing else. What else? Pointer calibration. Again, it's in Chinese, so I have no idea what's happening. Wow, 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 wow. 12:40. No, let's say 12:50, 00. And then we wait until it's actually 50 and then start. Okay, and basically that's it. I have a remote shutter, a smart alarm. Not much. I had 165 steps today. I have no idea where it did get it from, and I still have an incorrect time on the watch. And I had no sleep. Okay, that's pretty much it. Today's plan. Okay. All I plan today will be focused on this. Right. Okay, still nothing. Create a to-do list. Let's say test, confirm. Okay, add the task. Okay, so this has nothing to do with the watch actually. And it says electricity sufficient. Okay, this one also works with a CR2032 battery, so hopefully that will be it. And yeah, my goal is 10,000 steps, he thinks, and 8 hours. And let's go to the setting, unit setting, time format, 24 hours, and the unit is foot. Yeah, that's fine. Right, okay. A new version. Let's update the firmware. That's something. And hopefully after that the watch will show some time. So this silicon strap is very interesting. Whilst it's upgrading, this is a very interesting silicon strap. It's quite smooth. I believe this will not give anyone any irritation, and because the watch itself feels to be metal, I don't think it will be any problems. It is not a quick pin one, so you cannot unfortunately switch to another one easily, not like the Fossil. But as far as I'm concerned, it's a 20mm strap, so if you buy any 20mm strap to it, it will work with it. And one more thing I forgot to say, it is available in black and white. Okay, so this is the black version, obviously. Update complete. I know. I love the Chinese. Okay. Why do you need to search for a device to find the system firmware? Oh my. System version number 1.4.4. Background open Lenovo. Choose your mobile brand. Oh well, okay. It's an others. Right, still no idea what is happening here. Common problem. Right, okay. So, deviation and the hand indicating yes, there is a deviation obviously. It says calibration is needed before using the function and the second hand should be paid more attention. Yeah, okay, that's interesting. Okay, so, right. No, that's the alarm. Sorry, where was I? That's the smart alarm. No, that's not that one. Smart reminder. Message reminder, call reminder. Okay, well, this is pretty much it. And the one thing I didn't check, what's happening if I just press this button. Right, a little red light. And my phone is now ringing. Another little red light. Okay, so apparently what you can do with it is to find your watch. What if we long pressed it? Another red beep. Nothing is happening. Good. The short one. Still nothing. Right, well, guys, the watch is still not showing the correct time, and I'm still unsure on what to do. So what I will do, I will try to fix it somehow and come back. Thank you, peace out.